Good morning, fifth graders. At least it's morning for me. It's actually Sunday, but it's Thursday for you. So it's like you're in the future. What? I'm speaking to you from the past. And I have Sam here because it's a very rainy Sunday morning, and Sam got a little bit scared. So Sam is going to spend the day here doing the video with me. All right. This video is for April 30th and May 1st. Okay, Sam. And we're going to be talking about summarizing a text. First, we're going to do a would you rather. Then, we're going to go over the objectives. We're going to watch another Civil War video. I know how much you guys like those. We're going to summarize, and I'm going to model because this is the first time we're doing it in English. And then it'll be your turn. Okay, would you rather? Would you rather have every Lego set ever made, or get every new Lego set that comes out for free? Which one would you rather have? I think I would rather have every new Lego set because then I could review it and then I could make like a YouTube channel and get lots of money from advertisements because people want to see which is the new Lego sets that are coming out. And yeah, that could be a YouTube star. Okay. Would you rather have an amazing tree house or a huge trampoline? Sam and I agree that we would rather have a tree house because then we could go climbing on the trees. Sam could hang out outside and I could be watching TV in my tree house. That would be really cool. Okay. Objectives. What are we learning today? Today we're going to summarize a nonfiction text. Why are we doing this? Summarizing helps us when we need to share short and concise information to other people. Like, for example, when you're writing a science report. In the beginning of a science report, you have to be able to summarize your information so that people want to keep reading your science report. So this is a very helpful tool, helpful skill. And how are we going to do this? We are going to use our graphic organizer from yesterday, so that's your Wednesday, and transition words. Okay, so we're going to watch a Civil War video. This Civil War video is about African American soldiers during the Civil War. As you watch it, I want you to think about what surprised you. What made you be like, whoa, I didn't know that. That's so surprising, okay? Because anytime you see or hear or read something that's a nonfiction, you always want to go in with the mindset of, I'm going to get surprised. Because that's so exciting. That's such an awesome way of looking at information, okay? So what surprised you?